So similar to what I said in the last video, we're going to talk a bit more about standard deviations now. So a thing to notice about standard deviations is it's really hard to figure them out by hand. You're allowed to, you're very welcome to. There's a big formula in the textbook. It will take you about 15 minutes. I would definitely put it in your calculator and get your calculator to work it out. But if you wanted to estimate the standard deviation, which you can be asked to do in questions, then there's a really quick formula to use. So the standard deviation is approximately, that sign means approximately, is approximately the range, like the range of the data, divided by 4. So here's a quick example. Here's my data. It's definitely in order. I've put it in numerical order. My highest is 30, my lowest is 10. So my range is 30 minus 10, which is 20. So I'm roughly guessing my standard deviation to be the range, 20, divided by 4. So 20 divided by 4 is approximately 5. Well, it is 5. So I'm saying the standard deviation is approximately, I'm estimating it to be 5. But generally, we'll be asked to calculate the exact standard deviation, and that's just a process we can put into our calculators. So, as always, put the data in the spreadsheet and give a name to the column, and then we'll add a calculator page, and then we'll do the same sort of thing that we did just a minute ago when we were finding, what were we finding? The mean. And we'll get up to the same point, and one of the other things we'll read off that list, so still put in the data, hit OK, and we'll scroll down. Instead of scrolling down to the little X with the line across the top, we'll scroll down to the one that says S of X colon equals S of N minus 1 of X. That just means the standard deviation. It's the only one with the S in it anyway, so if you get a bit confused, the S one is the standard deviation one. But you'll need to know that that in your calculator will read as the standard deviation. Again, I'll go through a couple of sort of calculator examples of that, and you can kind of watch that process coming out of my calculator. I'll do them in class too. But basically what you need to know is the standard deviation you can find with your calculator by putting the data in. Standard deviation just represents certain categories of people, just like we looked at in the last video with the normal distribution, certain amounts that fit into this kind of standard normal distribution. It's also called the standard norm, that normal distribution. But basically we'll do some examples, and by the time you've practiced a few, definitely will get the hang of it.